Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I have a really cool DIY for you guys that's Valentine's Day inspired. We're going to be making this beautiful wreath that you see here, and everything cost me a total of $7. All items here were bought from the Dollar Tree. So stay tuned to see how I created this. Okay, so what we'll need to make this wreath is a heart-shaped wreath. You can use also a rounded one, but this is the one that I'm going to use. You're going to need some mesh. I'm going to be using this pink with the gold foiling in it. You'll need, these are called tinsel stems. They're basically pipe cleaners. And I'm using the pink ones so that they can blend well with the pink. And you'll need whatever type of embellishments that you want to add. I'll be using these heart picks, a roll of ribbon, which is in this color. And guys, if you want to see like a full, like exactly how these products look, check out my Dollar Tree haul. I'll probably link both of them in the description below. And yeah, and then also a hot glue gun if you plan on gluing anything, which I might not use. I might be fine with just the zip ties. But yeah, let me move all this stuff out the way. And let me show you guys how you want to start this wreath. So first of all, you want to cut your mesh into squares. Now what you want to do is roll it once, be able to roll it once. And I just kind of roll it just a little extra like that. And I just cut that. Like so. And I'm just going to make a pile of these. Now I bought 3 packs of this pink mesh. So we'll see if it's enough. If it's not enough, I'll probably have to add another color. But we'll see. I also purchased some flowers that I may or may not use on the wreath. And once again, I'll link my video to my Dollar Tree haul where I show exactly everything that I bought. So I'm just cutting all of these. I'm getting towards the end here. And this last piece is like stapled here. I'm just gonna pull it out. And I'll go ahead and, now this part would be a little funny, but it's fine. Like it'll be hidden within the wreath. So I was gonna cut that last piece there. So now I have a big pile of all of my mesh. Sorry guys, I have like all this mesh stuff. They kind of come out as you cut them. So next, I'm gonna grab my tinsel pipe cleaners. And like I said, I'm gonna be using the pink ones. And let me show you guys what we're gonna do. So basically you're gonna take one of your squares and you're gonna roll it once. Now some of these you might be able to roll twice. That's fine. and you're going to pinch it in the middle. Once again, I'm going to roll and pinch together. And I'm going to do 3 of these together. And I took one of my pipe cleaners and I cut it in 3 pieces. So here's one that I already cut. And I'm just going to go ahead and tighten that and twist. Like so. So this is what you'll have. And you'll be able to like fluff it how you like. But it doesn't matter. Like once you bunch it up, you'll see the look that you get. So this is what you want. Let me show you guys how I cut the tinsel. Pipe cleaners, whatever it's called. I'm gonna cut it in thirds. 1, 2, so I can have 3 pieces. And you want them to be the same size. This one's a little shorter, but I just kind of eyeball it. And that's basically it. So let me do another. We're gonna roll it up. We're gonna roll up 3 pieces. And sometimes they're like cut weirdly. That's fine. Just try to group it together as best as you can. Alright, so I'm pinching all 3 together. I'm gonna grab a pipe cleaner and I'm just gonna go ahead and twist that tight. Just like that. Let's do one more. Roll, pinch, roll, and pinch. And one more. 3 for each one. And guys, if you want it to look fuller, you can definitely do 4 of these. You could even mix it with another color. Whatever you please. And I'm gonna grab this and twist. All right, and I want to leave some here so we can attach to our wreath. All right, so that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how we attach it to the wreath. All right, so we have our wreath here. And we're just gonna take our pieces and I'm gonna attach them to the middle. So I'll start right here. There's 3 parts here. There's 1, 2, 3 parts on this heart wreath. I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it to the middle. Like so. So you can like place it on there, flip it around, and just secure it with the pipe cleaner. And then you'll be able to move it around to where you want to place it. And let me show you another. So I'm going to screw this one next to this one. And I'm just going to twist and secure that. Let's do one more. And then I'll do a time lapse to show you guys what it looks like. place that there. I'll flip it and secure it. And you'll be able to move this around like I said. So even if it's like all the way here is the space, you can just slide it on there. If you guys want to make it more secure, you can definitely put a longer piece of pipe cleaner and wrap it around these two. But I'm fine with just putting it in the middle. Okay guys, so I used 3 packs. Let me zoom out. I used 3 packs, and this is what it looks like. Now, if you just want to have, if you want to have a really full of mesh, I would suggest using 4 packs. I didn't, and I have like this gap here, which is what I want because I made this bow here and I want to stick it on the side. So I just left a space here so that I could put that there. So I'm going to go ahead and continue playing around, and then we'll come back and I'll show you the end result. Alright guys, this is the finished product. I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. I didn't use the flowers, I decided to use these instead. And I hooked these on with a pipe cleaner in the back. And I decided to put this bow on the side. And a little gold to go on the hook. But yeah, that's the finished product. Make sure that you comment, like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful.